Do you want to learn Arabic verb conjugation? Many people struggle when it comes to conjugation or Arabic verbs in general. What about tenses? In English, for instance, we can find more than 10 tenses, while in Arabic we have only 3 categories of verbs: past, present, and imperative. How can we manage to express these different English tenses using only 3 verb categories in Arabic? This is what we will find out together in this new course, in addition to many other concepts about Arabic verb conjugation. Hello friends, once more, welcome back to my channel. I am Mustafa Nasser speaking and you are watching Arabic Pronouns. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Arabic language, whether you're looking for the standard Arabic or the spoken dialects. And don't forget to activate the bell and like the video. This is a new course that focuses exclusively on verb conjugation. We will begin the course by learning about verb classifications and how to conjugate regular verbs in its 3 categories: past, present, and imperative. We will do the exact same for irregular verbs, and then we will learn how to express the different tenses of English using Arabic verbs. Finally, the upcoming lessons will be verb-focused, meaning that each video will feature only one specific verb. I will present its conjugation in different tenses, its common uses, its important derivatives, and of course, I will provide all that with various exercises and examples. The great thing about this course is its gifts and perks. Every single verb will come with a free PDF. Actually, 2 free PDFs. One contains the presentation slides I use in the video, and the other contains a comprehensive summary of the conjugations, examples, and notes mentioned in each lesson. Even though this video is just an introduction, I didn't come empty-handed. There are 2 free PDFs accompanying this introductory video. Let me show them to you right now. The first one contains the table of personal pronouns or subject pronouns. ضمائر الفاعل. As you know, we have 3 different categories when talking about pronouns or any grammatical forms in this matter. First person, المتكلم, which has only 2 pronouns, أنا and نحن. Second person, المخاطب, has 5 pronouns, أنت, أنتِ, أنتما, أنتم, and أنتن. And third person, الغائب, has also 5 pronouns, هو, هي, هما, هم, and هن, making total number of 12 subject pronouns. Notice something here. The dual pronoun for the second person, أنتما, is mentioned only once because its verb conjugation is exactly the same for both masculine and feminine subjects. On the other hand, the dual pronoun for the third person, هما, is mentioned twice. Even though the pronoun itself looks identical, this is because its conjugation for the dual masculine form is completely different from its conjugation for the dual feminine. You will have them all in colors with their transliteration and English translation as you see them on the screen. And there is another version better suited for printing. The second PDF is an empty sheet for conjugation practice. It has the exact same table and pronouns, but leaves blank spaces for you to conjugate the verbs yourself, in case you're a fan of traditional manual learning. The complete conjugation of all the verbs featured in this course will certainly be provided, but there will be also additional PDFs released later containing the most common verbs so that you can practice conjugation on your own. The link to download these PDF files is available in the description below this video. Simply click the link and enter your email address, and once you approve, a confirmation message will be sent to your inbox containing your download button. Once you click it, the PDFs will appear right away. What I will ask you to do right now is to watch the verb classification video on my channel. It's absolutely essential to review before diving deep into conjugation. You can find the link in the video description, or you might see it up here somewhere. In the next lesson, we will quickly review the classification of verbs required for conjugation, and I will share with you a very beautiful diagram that will help you visualize it. Additionally, we will learn how to conjugate regular verbs in the past, present, and imperative forms. This will definitely come with lots of mind-blowing insights, keynotes, and practical examples. If you want to watch this upcoming lesson and master regular verb conjugation, make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so that you will see the video once it's released. And don't forget to like and share this video. See you in the first lesson of this course.